How to remove payment method from Facebook ad account. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook page. You can switch to your Facebook page from your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now you have to get to your page profile. Now, if you're on your page profile, if you navigate to your left hand side, under manage page, there will find an option to choose Meta Business Suite. So click on it. Now once you're on your Meta Business Suite account, here again, click on all tools from this menu bar on your left hand side. Here, scroll down a bit and under manage, click on billings and payments. Here under billings and payment, you can select your ad account from this drop down box on your top right corner. Click on it and then you can choose your ad account. Now under this page, if you have added any payment method such as debit or credit card or your PayPal ID, there next to that you will have three dot icon. Click on it. Once you click on three dot icon, there you get an option to remove your payment method. Click on remove. After that, confirm it. Once you confirm it, your payment method will be removed. So that's the way to remove payment method from your Facebook ad account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.